Hi Stampin' Friends! After a brief break in December, Card Club is back in January with some beautiful cards made with the birthday celebration bundle. So this is the bundle we'll be using for January Card Club. And let me tell you just a little about how my Card Club works. It is a monthly subscription club, and in that club you get to make 8 cards, 2 each of 4 different designs. I provide you with the pre-cut card bases. You also get about $20 to $25 worth of Stampin' Up! Product to use on your projects. You get a full PDF tutorial, shipping is included, and you also get a quick little video walkthrough of these as well. I always try to include some fun cards like fun folds or just something a little different than just your basic card. And also you have the ability to add on the bundle and other items with no additional tax or shipping to your Card Club order. Now you will want to have a bundle like this or something similar to complete your cards, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek so you could see what we're doing this month. So again, we have 4 cards and you will make 2 of each. So this is card number 1. It opens just like so. Card number 2, you can see it's got these beautiful embellishments. Your tutorial will come with all of the measurements so that you can do these on your own, however you like. But again, I do pre-cut all of the card bases for you, so that's ready to go. And then we have this one right here. This is a reoccurring subscription, so you do get billed on the same date every month. And it's $45 a month. Again, that includes your PDF tutorial, your shipping, all the goodies. This is available to US customers only. And if you would like to sign up for just a 1-month trial, I do offer that for $50. You do have to message me directly for that, and I will put my link down below for you to email me if you're interested in doing that. If you stay with Stamp Club for 6 months consecutively without pausing or canceling, you will receive a $25 bonus gift from me at the end of those 6 months, and that happens every 6 months. So if you stay 12 months, you're going to get a second gift at the 12-month mark. So again, if you have any questions, I will put the link to my blog that has all the information about this month's club. Make sure you sign up by the 20th. If you sign up on the 21st, you will be signed up for February's club. So we want to make sure we get you in the right month. All right, thank you so much for watching and have a great year.